This week, we'll be going over Chapter 3 of the Harrower textbook, Newswriting Basics. There is a lot to cover this week. We're going to start by learning the difference between facts and opinion, and why newswriting relies on those facts rather than feelings. Then, we'll tell of the 5 W's that are in every story and introduce the inverted pyramid. Moving on, we'll talk about the basic news lead, show how to write leads that succeed, and provide some examples of those leads, and then talk about what comes next in the story. We're then going to talk about story structure, introduce the nut graph and its function in newswriting, show how to organize stories in different ways, present story structures that differ from the inverted pyramid, suggest alternatives to long stories, introduce the kicker and how to end those stories, and then demonstrate the importance of rewriting and editing in newswriting. To end our lecture on newswriting basics, we'll present newswriting style, especially Associated Press style, inform about the importance of deadlines, including a deadline checklist, and finish up by providing newswriting tips, including a few rules of grammar and punctuation.